Your Android phone might seem safe, but if porn websites aren't blocked, anyone can open them anytime. Many people don't know there's a simple way to stop this. Just a quick setting can make your phone safer for kids and others. Let's block those sites right now. Open up the Chrome browser on your phone. After that, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner, and then tap Settings. Then tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down, tap Safe Browsing, select Enhanced Protection. Now go back again. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Use Secure DNS. Now select the Choose Another Provider option. Now tap on the down arrow next to Custom. Select the Clean Browsing Family Filter option here. Now you won't see any adult content in the Chrome browser. So folks, this is how you can block porn websites on your Android phone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.